So here's what I'm going to propose. And this is what I've used in actual like business meetings, right? And that's just to say a neural network is a mathematical representation of how the human brain works. That's it. This is a definition that I've used with, high level executives, and they understand it, right? So you don't have to quite get into, the neurons and all that aspect of it, but it's just a mathematical way to simulate how the brain works. That's all it is. Denelson says a system of linear algebra algorithms that trigger each other, mimicking a human's neural network of exploring and learning and correcting itself. Okay, cool. Thank you so much for that, Denelson. So this is the kind of definition, what you're seeing up on the screen, that I would give to a business stakeholder, right? Because again, nobody is wrong in the chat, but we're going to keep things simple.